Good afternoon, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn something new, that is writing skills. Children, in today's technology driven world, writing skills plays an important form of communication and the key part of education. So today we will learn one of the form of writing skills, that is picture composition. Picture composition. It means to write several sentences on a given topic after looking at the picture related to it, which means a picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or sets of pictures. Now, let's learn how to write a picture composition. To write a picture composition, It, it requires the writer, that is you, to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story or composition having meaningful sentences. Now, once we observe the picture, we should ask questions and note down the answers or our observations to these questions. Later, we should arrange them in a logical order. You can do all this in a small rough column. Now, once you write your observations, we have to form a meaningful sentence to form a composition. So, we have to write all the answers in a meaningful way. Write a title to the composition based on the main theme of the picture. Now, once you decide the title and sentences are decided, it's time to write the composition. We must remember the first line should begin away from the margin. Now, let us look at a first sample composition. This is a picture of a classroom, and as you can see many things in the classroom. So, looking at the picture, I have written 10 questions related with the picture, and on the side of the box there are answers. So look at the first question. Where are the children? The children are in the classroom. What is the time? The time in the clock is 9 o'clock. How many children are there in the picture? There are 6 children in the picture. What is the teacher doing? The teacher is teaching a lesson. Now, what is there on the table? The table, there are books, pencils, pouch, eraser, scale, pen stand, etc. on the table. Now, what are the children doing in the first row? In the first row, two children are discussing and one girl is reading the book. What is the color of the chair? The color of the chair is blue. What is swimming in the aquarium? You could see a small aquarium beside, and fishes are swimming in the aquarium. Now, where is the globe? The globe is on a book rack in the corner of the room. Now, what do you see on the board? There is a picture on the board, or the teacher has drawn a picture on the board. Okay, children, so these were the observations of the picture. We wrote few questions and we have written few answers for it. Now let us form a picture composition for this. Go to the next slide, children. Now this is how we should write a picture composition. First, we should give a title and the first line should be started away from the margin. Now let us see what we have written. The picture composition. The children are in the classroom. The time is 9 o'clock and there are 6 children in the class. The teacher is teaching a lesson and there are books, pencils, pouches, erasers, scale, pen stands, etc. In the first row, 2 children are discussing and one girl is reading the book. And the chairs are in blue color. There are fish which are swimming in the aquarium. There is a globe on the book rack and a picture on the board. So these were the answers of all the questions what I have written. And finally it came as when I write all of them in a paragraph, it becomes a picture composition. Okay children? Now children, you are going to write the picture composition of this picture in your classwork. Write a few lines about this picture. You can use the words which I have given below. For example, how are the trees? The trees are bushy. How many flowers are there? How many butterflies you can see? Tell the color of the grass. And there are bees and birds also. Form a question, write the answers, and at the end you have to write a composition for it. Try to write a composition for this children. So children, I have given you a title here, a beautiful place. Now in the above composition, what did you observe in a beautiful place is what you have to write in a form of a paragraph here. Write in your CW children. Now children, this is another picture composition. Now write your observations in homework notes. This is one homework I'm giving you. You can write anytime you are free. So with this, we come to the end of today's class, children. I hope you all learned how to write picture composition. And from now onwards, you're going to write a very beautiful composition. Okay, bye children.